Here you can learn how to tie a self-locking starting knot, also known as a Duncan knot. The illustration shows how holding the needle holder beneath the two parallel threads makes the knot. The needle holder is wound around both threads once, twice, 3 times. When the needle holder has been wound around the threads 3 times, enough loops will have been made to create a stable knot. The short thread end is then gripped with the needle holder and pulled through the loops. To tighten the knot, both threads must be pulled in a parallel direction with equal force. Cut the short thread from the suture material approximately 1 cm from the knot. When you let go of the short thread end and pull on the long thread end, the knot will slide. If the knot does not slide easily, you can use your fingers to move it into place. If you cut both ends of the thread, the knot will become undone. The stability of the long thread end, which continues to suture the tissue, ensures that an even pull on the knot is maintained. Therefore, the knot can only be used at the beginning of the continuous suture. When used at the beginning of a continuous suture, the self-locking starting knot is as stable as 2 square knots on top of each other and takes up less space. Because the knot can slide on the thread, it is particularly suitable in situations where it is difficult for you or unpleasant for the patient if the knot is tied close to the wound edge. As an alternative, you can then tie the knot at a distance from the wound edge and move it into place afterwards.